dear students, let us begin mathematics class chapter 2nd, fractions and decimals. From that, fractions in that exercise 2.4, from that the first question they asked you to find. What you are going to find? If they just ask you to find, you have to observe the question. They have given 12 division 3 upon 4. As I told you, now division. Division is nothing but repeated of subtraction. Division is nothing but repeated of subtraction. Let us concentrate on division symbol. First you take down 12 division 3 upon 4. This division symbol you have to replace with the multiplication symbol. How can you replace it? By writing the reciprocal of the fraction. By writing the reciprocal of the fraction. What do you mean reciprocal? Reciprocal means it is vice versa. Numerator become denominator. Now denominator has become numerator. Numerator has become denominator. Now we have replaced with the multiplication symbol. Now 12 is the whole number. So you have already learned that whole number you have to multiply to the numerator. So 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 48 upon 3. Now we have got the answer. 12 4s are 48. Now you bring to the simplest form. Is it possible? You check out. 3 1s are 3 16s are. If you don't know, 3 1s are 18, 3 6 are. So you are getting answer is 16. It is one of the whole number. Now let us come to the second question. 14 division 5 upon 6. 14 you have to divide. Here also the same way. First you replace the division symbol. How to replace? Replace with the multiplication. You have to write the reciprocal of this fraction. Denominator become numerator. Numerator become denominator. Now if whole number and fraction is there. So it is the same method. 6 4s are. 6 4s are how much? 4 6 are or 6 4s are 24. 2 6 2s are 6 1s are 6 plus 2 84 upon 5. Now we have whole number multiplied to the numerator. Now just think over that. Can you write it in the to the lowest form? It is not possible, but we can do it one thing. We cannot write this. We can write it in the form of mixed fraction. Now 5 is divided by 84. Use the simple division. 5 1s are 5, or you can take it. Here 3 is left out. 5 6. 16 5s are 80. The remainder is left out 4. So you can write in the form of the denominator never change. The quotient become the whole number. The numerator become remainder. So answer is 16, 4 upon 5. Now let us switch on to the third question. Here third question also the same way. Let us replace the symbol with the multiplication. To replace you have to write the reciprocal. It means opposite. Numerator become denominator become numerator. Numerator become denominator. Here the second step is with the whole number with the fraction multiplication. So 8 3s are, you have to multiply with the numerator. 8 3s are 24 upon 7. Now can we write in the lowest form? You think, is it possible? It is not possible. So but we can write in the form of mixed fraction. 7 3s are 21. So if you subtract 24 minus 1 3. So you can write the denominator never change. Quotient become whole number. The remainder become the numerators. The answer is this. Now here also the fourth question, let us replace the division symbol by multiplication. How to write? Reciprocal of that. Ulta palta. You can say that in your local language. 3 become 8. So now the second step is whole number fraction multiplication. 4 3s are 12 upon 8. Now can we bring to the simplest form? 2 4s are 2 6 are. Or still can you? It is not possible. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are. So you are getting 6 upon 4. That can be write in the form of mixed fraction. 4 1s are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. The quotient is 1. The denominator is say 4. We are bringing to the simplest form. Then the remainder become the numerator. Oh, here we can write, still you can write it in the simplest form. 2 3s are 2 2s are. Or you can write directly 3 upon 2. You can bring to the simplest form. This is not required. I did not observe that. So you can write, still you can bring to the simplest form. Then you can write 2 1s are 2. You will get this. You can write 2 1 1. Why? Because 2 is the denominator, 1 is the quotient, even remainder is 1. So you will get 1 and half. 1 is the whole number. So let us switch on to the fifth question. Let us replace. Before replacing, here they are given in the form of mixed fraction. Whenever they give in the form of mixed fraction, let us convert into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Now we have written in the improper fraction. Let us replace the symbol by writing the reciprocal of that. You will get 3 3s are 9 upon 7. Can you? No. You cannot bring to the simplest form. 7 1s are 9 minus 7 2. So the remainder is 2. It becomes numerator. The quotient is 1. The denominator is 7. Now let us switch on to the sixth question. 5 divide. Here also it is mixed fraction. So our first duty is to convert into improper fraction. As I told you, you have to multiply denominator and whole number. 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25 upon 7. Next what you have to do is, now your second step is to replace the symbol with the multiplication. As I told you, write the reciprocal. Reciprocal in the sense just opposite, vice versa. 7 25. Now you can write 7 5s are 35 upon 25. You can bring to the simplest form. 7 5s are 7. 5 5s are 5 7s are. Then still can you bring to the simplest form? It is improper fraction. We can write it in the form of mixed fraction. So 5 1s I will get 2. So you can write the denominator never change 5. 2 is the remainder. It becomes numerator. 1 is the quotient. So the answer is 1. 2 upon 5 is the answer. Hope you understood how to replace the division symbol. Why to do this work? I explained to you in advance. Why? Because if it is multiplication, it is easy to make us to work on that. Now let us switch on to the main second question. Find the reciprocal. Just now I explained that how to write the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. First step is you have to write each of the following fraction reciprocal. Reciprocal means just opposite to that. If in the yoga and all you do that, head you put it down, legs become up. That is the reciprocal. In the same way, you have to write the reciprocal. Then you have to classify into reciprocal proper fraction. You have to identify proper, improper, whole number. So first step is to write it is very easy to write just reciprocal. Denominator become numerator, numerator become denominator. Is it which type of fraction? Compare with the denominator. The numerator is having greater value. So this is a type of improper. So you write clearly improper fraction. You write very clearly improper fraction. Now in the same way, here also you write the reciprocal. Here 8, the denominator is 8, it becomes numerator. Numerator becomes denominator. Then it is also, if you compare with the denominator, it is having the greater value numerator. So it is also improper fraction. It is also improper fraction. Then the second thing is 9 upon 7. The numerator becomes denominator 7. Now you compare the numerator with the denominator. The numerator is having less, so it looks proper. As I told you, head is small, the body is big, it looks proper. If the head is big, then it looks improper. So you can write the proper fraction. Next, here 6 upon 5, 5 become numerator 6. So it is also proper. The numerator is small, the denominator is big. So you can write that proper fraction. Proper fraction. Now let us switch on to the second one. 12 upon 7. 12 become the denominator, it becomes the numerator. So it is also looks proper. The numerator is small, the denominator is big. So you can write that proper fraction. Now the last one, not the last one, 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8, if it then denominator become numerator, it looks just. So if it is just number, then you can consider as whole number. Which type of number? Whole number. The next one is 1 upon 11. If you write 11 becomes numerator, 1 becomes denominator. If 1 cannot be considered, just you can neglect it. So 11. 11 is also one of the whole number. Hope you understood how to classify improper, proper, whole number. Hope you understood. For proper fraction, our body is one of the good example. If it is for improper, just imagine if your head is this much big, body becomes small, you look improper. Thank you, my dear students.